Hello guys, welcome back to another YouTube video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to solve the 2x2x1 Rubik's Cube. So let me scramble it up real quick. Okay, it's scrambled up. So first what you're going to want to do, you're going to want to solve the white side. So you're just going to want to do one turn thing there. That means you also solved the yellow side. And then once you do that, you still have these edges. So, and if you turn this red piece, up there is also a red piece. So you're going to want to do, hard to show it on camera. You're going to want to do it. You're going to want to do a turn here. And now they're on different sides. So you're going to want to go up. And now you completed the edge. Now you're going to resolve the white side because you did a turn. Then once you did, you should have all the other edges solved. And that's how you solve a 2x2x1. See you guys later. And like and subscribe. I always forget to say that. Like and subscribe.